So I made a flower pot again. It's like the Tensegrity stuff, right? It's a floating one. And I wanna just some details discuss where I think could be interesting. So first of all, to prove that this is like just hold by string. This is a string, right? And the string isn't really holding it, but this thing is holding it. And this is the first detail I want to discuss. This is nitinol wire, so it's a mix between nickel and titanium, and it's ultra flexible. So I thought that might be a good choice. Yeah, it's held by these brass things, so it looks nice and neat. So this is nitinol wire, and this is also nitinol wire, but this one is got a phase change temperature that's different from the other one. So you can magically, by heating it up, right? You can just Google nitinol wire. It will say what it is about. This is like 60 degrees, and I suspect this is like 0 degrees. So it's always trying to get in its original. I can do it again. Right, I'm hitting it with some heat, not too much heat, or it will destroy it. And it will go back to its original thing. So I suspect this is like 0 degrees or -10 or -20. So, but it's really elastic and you can bend it, but it's pretty hard. So this is why I used this in that. These wires are not really special in any way. It's just stupid wire, and not wire, but string. Yeah, this is brass. This is also brass with a grub screw in. I turned these myself on the lathe. This is I thought the brass and black with the wire. This is stainless steel with I heated it up so it doesn't shine. And the coating from the wood is shellac. So that's why it shines a little bit. I don't know if you can see that actually pretty good, but see, it shines here. Yeah. So what else? If I take the plant out, I can show you a little bit about. So you can turn it sideways and it works still. This one is just so if some water comes from the plant, it gets not in the woods, it gets in this metal container. Yeah, this is cherry wood. I like it. And yeah, don't worry, I'm working on the second one. If you like this one,